YouTube? It's your boy TQ, and we are back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is very much appreciated. So as you can see, I want to go in by brushing through the hair. I want to prepare it so the clippers can bring everything down to the appropriate length that I'm going for.
Spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses.
So I go in with my no guard open, and I'm establishing that second guideline. And I'm trying to keep everything consistent and everything as straight and clean as possible.
Since the love got me get up, I don't need a head. Straight goals, let these niggas know we've already. Sneaky clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Shit, no shoes overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button leather. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of times out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, visit day, yo. Ain't you stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in their peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet.
For that third guideline, I go in with my one guard open, and I'm keeping everything consistent and also going up half an inch as well. So as you can see, once I hit the parietal ridge, I'm kind of scooping out towards myself to prevent creating another guideline and kind of blend it into the top of the hair.
Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet.
So I also want to add, like, the neater you make your guidelines, the blurrier your fade is going to come out. So you want to keep everything consistent and just make everything as neat as you possibly can.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Barbers, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door.
With the no guard close, I'm coming in and knocking down that first guideline that we created. Now, as y'all can see, I'm kind of more so using the corners instead of the full blade, just to keep it safe.
Right out of the front door, I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. Hello, I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain.
So right after we blend that guideline, we go in with the one guard open, one guard closed, and we're knocking out that third guideline that we created. Now the one guard close is not going to take this line out completely, so we're going to go behind that with the 0.5 later on in the video, and that 0.5 is going to take that line completely out.
Versace my bitch, I got on that tissue, I you for the cheese. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with the doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the betters, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, I see with some rappers, that's why I've been racing you. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda Ghost. I had to count my money on the bottom pole. I just took that bitch shopping for behind me, so I had to get on my niggas up behind. I had to get on my phone. I had to 12 right on the mile, drive it like my film was stolen. It seem like my birthday brand new, cause I'm only known just to flow. Yeah, I just know they be watching, yeah, just know they be watching. All these hoes love me, I am such a sunny guy. Nigga, do not trust me, baby, I'ma bust you. Wait before you bust me, you shouldn't have trust me. Girl, you got all love. If this beef don't burn.
So like I said earlier, that 0.5 is going to take that guideline all the way out. And, you know, some barbers might leave it, you know, with just using the one close and just leave it how it is. But, you know, you don't want to cut corners when you're cutting hair. You want to do all your steps and just follow through with every step that you take.
I just took that bitch shopping for behind the stores. For behind the stores. You know that I got to be real. For behind the stores.
So I go in with my guts to be spritz and I'm preparing that front hairline for the trimmers. So I noticed he kind of had a little bit of overhang that was covering his front hairline. So I went ahead and knocked down all that off, and just so you can see the hairline a lot better when you knock all that off instead of just having that hovering over the hairline.
The spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Check it from my fan life.
So next up I come in with my babyless trimmers. And I'm trying to keep his hairline as natural as possible. But at the same time, we want to make everything look good and make it look right.
See me even if you had 3D glasses. I had bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some
Once
green.
I branch off into the vertical bar, I try to keep everything at a 90-degree angle.
And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me get up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Smoking clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were panning up. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best up.
So next up, I come in with my Temptation spray, and I'm just filling in all those light spots that he might have within the hairline.
The drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help it. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, fill applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy piece a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat.
So my client, he's more of a dark-skinned individual, so I kind of hit him with the light brown instead of the white pencil. Because the white pencil just looks oversaturated, it just looks too, it doesn't look natural enough. So I just went ahead and used the light brown to kind of make it more of a natural look. So once I've applied the pencil, I come in behind the pencil with the babyless trimmers, and I'm just blending in that line, trying to make everything look as natural as I possibly can.
Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way.
turn on the tape.
So once I blend everything in, I go behind that with my razor at a 45-degree angle, and I just bring everything back to the original line.
Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Barbers, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought 4 door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought 4 door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought 4 door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought 4 door, had to get ready for war. I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey, that's the risk. When we spray his car, spray the window. She keeps sucking on my dick, tryna get it hickey. I swear that pussy too wet, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door, I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain. Oh my God, y'all niggas bet you'll be for y'all, I'll be dead. Pull out a hole, pull out a whole lot of meds. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of clothes, nigga be stealing my sweat. Pull out a whole lot of.
So we are inching to the end of this video. I hit him with the olive oil spray, and I come in behind that with the sponge. He came in looking like this and left out feeling like,
I'm him!
but it's your boy TQ. He in good hands, just like State Farm. If you mess with this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we out.
Wake up beside my bitch, I got on that tissue, how you feel the cheese? I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with the doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes.